Welcome to our Express Adobe Element 13 tutorials. We've designed these lessons to cover a single topic as quickly and as efficiently as possible so you can carry on with creating great photos. Today's lesson we are using the Content Aware Move tool. This is a great tool that you can use to add additional images to a picture or move an image from one part of the photo to another part. Alright, let's get started. I have this photo already up on my desktop. My object is I wanted to make a frame for this, and I really like the birds, but it's too big, and in order to have it fit the frame that I have, I need to move this bird on the left somewhere over to the right. So that's where Adobe Content Aware Move tool comes in. The first thing we need to do is make sure that you have your layer highlighted. It's got to be blue. If it's not blue, it's not going to work and you'll get frustrated. After that's selected, we're going to go over to the left side and we're going to click on the tool for the Content Aware Move tool that is right here. When you have that selected, we're going to go down to the bottom and there's different options here. We want the one that says Subtract from Selection. That's this one. You should see the word Subtract underneath. And the mode is going to be Move. So make sure the radio button is selected for Move. Once we have that done, we're going to go up to the photo. This is very simple. You're going to left click your mouse button, hold it down, and drag. Now it doesn't matter how far away or how sloppy you are in this because the color of the photo is even throughout. So it's not going to matter much on this particular one. When you're finished, it's selected. Then you're going to left click in it. Hold your finger on the button, the left mouse button, simply drag it to a new location. I think this location is going to be perfect. Let go, Adobe will process the change, and there you go. Then you can click on your selection tool up here. Then just left click once inside the photo, and the selection goes away. And as you can see, it's seamless. You would never know that photo was moved. But let's say we want to add a bird somewhere else. This is just as simple. We're going to go back and make sure we have our Content Aware Move Options tool selected. We're going to go down to the bottom and this time we're going to choose Add. Make sure it says Add underneath. And then the radio button we want on Extend. So make sure that the radio button is for Extend. We're going to go up here. This is the bird that I want to copy. And once again, we're just going to left click, drag around, selected, and then we're going to click and move, and I think right about there is going to be absolutely perfect. Let go, let Adobe do the process, and as you can see now we have a duplicate image. Click on your selection tool, click in once, unhighlight it. Perfect. As you can see, it looks like that has always been there. I have one more example for you. This involves real people. So we have two photos. This was taken by the same person. Well, one person was taking the photo, but they couldn't get both of them in there. So what we want to do is move the one into the other photo so it looks like somebody took the photo of the both of them at the same time. We're going to do exactly the same thing. Make sure that your background's selected. You're going to click on your Content Aware tool. We're going to click on Move. And now we're going to just go around the body. In this particular instance, the closer you can get to the body, the better off you're going to be in the long run. I'm just doing this quickly so you can get to work on your own project, but I'll show you how we can fix this. Okay, so once it's selected, you're going to left click, hold down, drag up to the other file. It's going to automatically switch. When you drag down, you see the plus sign. When you see that, you can let go, and there's the picture. Now you want to go over to your select tool over here, and you want to move this into a location. What I'm doing is I'm paying attention to this area over here with the shadows. That's the area that we're trying to line up as best we can. Okay, and once you do, now you see this hard line. The eye is extremely good at picking up lines, especially one with color tones that are slightly different, but that's okay. We're going to get rid of that in one moment. We're going to click over onto our eraser tool right here. We want to make sure we have the maximum feather on it. Make sure brush is selected, and you can change on the fly the size of your brush. The right bracket key will increase, the left bracket key will reduce, And if you hold the shift key down and the right bracket key, you will see your brush feather go to more of a straight line. We want the maximum, so shift and left bracket key on the keyboard, get a nice feather. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go in there and we're going to delete that hard line that our eye is picking up. Go right around the photo. And you can see it's starting to blend much better. And there you have it. You would never know that this photo was taken by two different people instead of one taking a picture of two at the same time. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to click on the like button below and subscribe to our channel for new computer tutorials as they become available. We will be covering all different aspects of computers. Right now we're concentrating basically on Adobe Element 13. Feel free to comment below about this video or ask a question. Until next time, enjoy being creative with Adobe Photoshop.